Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 18th, and I'm going to be analyzing the gold versus the US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. But first, take a look at my new Forex trading course available to all gold Patreon members. The link for that can be found up here in the corner. So on gold monthly, I still think this is a 1, ABC of 2, big wave 3, ABC of 4, and we're now going up for a wave 5. I think it's going to go at least to the 61.8 and maybe even actually quite a bit further than that. Now we are approaching all-time highs, so I'm sure there's going to be a lot of volatility along the way because of the fact that we are approaching all-time highs on gold. So going down to the weekly time frame, let's squish this down a little bit so I can kind of show what I'm looking at. So I still believe that this first section of trend right here is a 1. I think this move down is a 2, and I think we're in a wave 3. Now if this is a wave 3, it needs to go beyond the 100% extension of wave 1 projected off the bottom of wave 2. So that means that this, if it is a wave 3, it needs to at least look something like that to finish off this uptrend. So that would put us all the way up to about the $2,200 area to finish off this trend. So let's take a look at that on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where I can see this uptrend right here, which I think is a 1. This is definitely 3 waves down. I think it's a 2. And then we have an uptrend right here, and you will notice that all these lows are higher lows. Even this big move down that we currently have didn't really break any structure. To me, the trend is definitely still 100% up, and I definitely still think that the most likely thing to happen is that this is just going to keep on making higher highs and higher lows, most likely all part of a wave 3 of wave 5. So let's take a look at that on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, even though this is a higher high, I definitely see what looks like a trend right here, probably a wave A. This right here I could definitely make out to be 3 waves up. I think that's an irregular top or an irregular wave B. And I think this move down right here is a wave C. It pretty much went down and spiked right down and made a double bottom and then turned back up. It has not taken out structure yet to prove that this is the end of a wave C, but looking at other dollar pairs, I do think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a wave C, and it is going to end up continuing the uptrend. Now this line right here represents all-time highs, so like I said, I'm sure there's going to be some volatility, especially when it gets close to touching that all-time high area. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. This move up definitely looks a little on the corrective side on this time frame, but I do believe that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows, and I think it's going to just keep on trending up because I do believe that is the end of a correction, and if that is the end of a correction, it will take out these highs and most likely go a lot further than that. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.